Hey everyone, welcome guys, welcome. Hey Solomon, welcome Solomon. Hey Joe, welcome Joe, welcome. Hey guys, I'm going to let me share my screen here. All right, so we can get started. All right, so guys, you should see my screen. All right, we had some selling in the markets today. All right, in the equity market. So the Dow was down. What was it? 367 points. All right, for the day. So um, we retraced a bit. All right, so here we were right here, guys, for the week testing resistance, and now we closed right here. All right, so not a major concern. All right, we do need to see selling and buying continue this week. All right, so we do need buyers to hold. All right, but that didn't um, work well for our equity stocks. No, we didn't have anything closed. I don't believe, or not. Most of the equity trades are held. All right, but we'll take a look at that. So we'll continue to keep an eye on the Dow, on the right over here. All right, on the 250, 240-minute time frame. We did get a pullback, but no sell signals. All right, on the Dow, on the 240. But that is a concern. We have purpose support and resistance, and it's just failing to break through that resistance. All right, failing to break through that resistance. That's always a concern, right? When it has very difficult time. All right, buyers have very difficult time breaking resistance. All right. By that, I mean, what could happen, guys? What could happen is we could see where the markets continue to consolidate in here. All right, and hopefully that doesn't happen. All right. Hopefully we break out, but it could continue to, it doesn't have to sell off. It could continue to just consolidate in a narrow range here. All right. So very, very choppy, very, very choppy for equities. All right. But we are seeing some moves. All right. Dollars holding. Gold made a move. So equity markets, just remember when the equity markets move lower, right, you see gold make a move. So gold is breaking through that resistance right here. So we'll see how that holds. Pound yen retraced a bit. All right, so it didn't break out of the resistance here of the high, just holding right here. All right, so let's go through the trades. The yen pairs did retrace a bit. All right, today. Hey, Dean, welcome. Dean, welcome. All right, so let's go through. And before we do that, US 30 short signal. We didn't send this out. This happened really, really quick. All right. So we still have a buy signal. So our bias is to the upside. Okay. So keep that in mind. All right. So I'm going to go through current trades in Monster Scalper. All right, Eurozar buy signal is here, still holding. All right, we did see some pullbacks early in the week in some of the Euro pairs. We had to close. All right, but these are holding. EUR CZK buy signal is here, that's still holding. Euro Swiss closed. All right, so red candle sell signal. All right, so if anyone is in Euro Swiss, you want to close that. Pound dollar is holding, right? Buy signal here, that's holding well. Pound ZAR sell signal. All right, sell signal came in here, so we should be out. All right, buy signal here, broke support right here, sell signal, so we should be out of pound Aussie. All right, so we'll remove that. Pound ZAR, That's holding. Buy signal here. That's holding. Pound SGD. All right. Red candles came in, broke support, doesn't have a sell signal yet. So we want to close that trade. So if anyone is in it, close that trade. Red candles here. If you guys look here, right? Broke support, red candle should be out. All right. Should be out of that trade. That pound SGD. All right. Pound Swiss should be out of that trade. All right. Out. Red candle, sell signal. So pound Swiss should be out of that trade. Pound PLN, red candle, we should be out. All right. So pound pairs are retracing. So close those trades. All right. New Zealand yen, it's still holding. Buy signal is here, it's still holding. All right. We saw a pullback. Again, the market was down almost 400 points, guys. So really hurt the current positions that we are in. But if they're holding, just hold on to them because we could see buying come back in. So New Zealand yen, all right, retraced. Still holding here. All green candles, nothing to do. Euro yen, buy signal is here. It's holding. We need buyers to come back in, test the highs, test resistance. ZAR yen, all right, buy signal is here, holding support, white candle. All right, just watch it. We need green candles to come in, buyers to come in. All right, ZAR yen. All right, Swiss yen. All right, buy signal here, holding support, green candles, nothing to do. Pound yen, all right, buy signal is here, green candles. All right, so nothing to do there. Same with SGD, JPY. All right, Aussie yen, same thing. So you guys see here, every single yen pairs pull back. All right, so nothing that we did wrong, just the selling in the market. All right, and remember, those yen pairs will follow the move of the equity markets. Okay, so pullback in the equity markets will create pullback in the yen pairs. All right, and that's CAD yen, and then HKD JPY. Right, pullback. Buy signal here. Keep an eye here. All right, so we need to break. See here, right here, high here, high here. All right, so we need, if we get a red candle, just close the trade. All right, but hopefully we get buyers to come in and break through. Let's just take a look at we'll take a look at Forex Dominator and see how they're doing. All right, so keep that in mind. Aussie dollar, these were new trades. So the Aussie pairs, Aussie dollar buy signal is here, retraced. All right, these will go along with the yen pairs. All right, Aussie CAD buy signal is here, it's holding. Aussie Swiss, all right, buy signal here, retrace, holding. All right, if it gets below support here, it will give a sell signal. But white candles, so we need buyers to come back in. Green candles continue to move higher. All right. All right, New Zealand dollar, right? Another new trade we got going here. New Zealand dollar buy signal is here. That's holding. New Zealand CAD, right? Look at the New Zealand CAD. All right, we got in right here. We send it out right here. All right, so that's holding. New Zealand Swiss, all right, that's holding. All right, good markdown phase here. So if you guys notice, the yen pairs, Aussie pairs, and Kiwi pairs, New Zealand pairs will tend to move together. And that's really, really good. All right, we just need them to continue to hold, stay up like this. All right, so that's really good movement. We just need them to hold. All right, and continue moving higher. All right. So those are the longs in Monster Scalper. Let's take a look at the shorts. If you guys have any symbols you want me to take a look at, just put them, send them to me. All right. Shorts. In Monster Scalper. So Aussie, New Zealand. All right, that short close, sell short signal was here. Big candle came in, all right, to get us out here. All right, for a small loss here. All right. So Aussie, New Zealand, we should be out of that trade. Remember, the Aussie pairs are moving higher now. All right. Euro, HUF. All right. Sell short signal here. Buyers came in, big candle, sell signal, right? To exit, buy to cover, right? So close that trade. USD, MXN. All right. That's holding the short. We've got pretty good support here. All right. But keep an eye on it. We've got white candle here, red candles came in, but we got really, really good support here. All right, get a red candle, that's good, but green candle, get out, close the trade. All right, let's take a look at Forex Dominator. All right, Forex Dominator. All right, Forex Dominator, long trades in Forex Dominator. All right, EuroCAD, Forex Dominator, buy signal is here, that's holding. All right, Euro HKD, you guys will notice, right, in Monster Scalper, a lot of those Euro pairs close, but in Forex Dominator, they're holding. All right, because we're trading on a longer time frame, on a daily time frame. All right, so just because those trades are done in Monster Scalper doesn't mean that they're done in Forex Dominator. All right, so EUR HKD, right? That's holding there. EUR SEK, that's holding. EUR SGD, that's holding. Buy signal is here. Look at this. Looks really, really good. All right. EUR TRY, that's holding in Forex Dominator. Euro dollar, buy signal is here. All green candles looking to test resistance here. All right, in Forex Dominator. And then Euro ZAR, look at the Euro ZAR. All right, buy signal is here. All right, looking to test, break through the highs there. Pound CAD, buy signal is here. That's holding. All right. Pound HKD, buy signal is here. That's holding. Keep an eye on this. Purple support and resistance, right? If it breaks through that support, previous resistance is support. All right. But so far, nothing to do. No white candles, right? Nothing to do. No red candles. All right. Pound SGD, buy signal is here. That's holding. Pound dollar, buy signal is here. All right. That's holding. All right. Yen pairs. So Aussie yen, that's a new one in Forex Dominator. That's holding here, guys. CAD yen. All right. CAD yen buy signal here, holding. Retraced a bit, but still holding. Swiss yen still looks good. All right. Buy signal is here, holding nicely. All right. Euro yen. Look at euro yen, guys. Buy signal is here. That's moving up nicely. Euro yen. Pound yen. Buy signal is here. Pull back today, but holding nicely. SGD JPY, right? Holding. And New Zealand yen, that's holding right here. So nothing to change, guys. No long positions to get out of in Forex Dominator. All right. So Forex Dominator did a great job holding on to the trades. All right. Let's take a look at the shorts. All right. Joe, Euro MXN, you don't have it in your. All right. We'll take a look at it after we're done this evening. All right. Send me a quick text just to remind me. So EUR MXN in Monster Scalper. All right. Absolutely. We'll take care of that for you, Joe. All right. Let's see here. Shorts in Forex Dominator. All right. Aussie CAD. All right. Sell short signal here. You're welcome, bud. Sell short signal here. It's holding. Keep an eye on Aussie CAD. Remember, the Aussie pairs are moving higher in Monster Scalper. Okay, so here was the sell short signal here. If you guys are in it, right? Sell short signal here. Here we are right here. And look at very choppy in here. So if it breaks resistance here, all right, green candle, just get out. I would say even with if it just tests this area here, which is 91, all right, just close the trade. Just close the trade. Okay. Because buyers are definitely coming in. All right. Hey Betty, welcome. Betty, welcome. Okay. So yeah. All right. So keep an eye on that. Watch it. If this current candle right here turns red, sellers are coming back in, then keep it. But if it gets near that, any closer to 91, just get out of it. Close the trade. All right. That's Aussie CAD. Aussie Swiss, that's doing much better. Sell short signal is here. Sellers are definitely in control. All right, you guys can see that here. All right, so nothing to do there. New Zealand CAD closed that trade. Buyers came in here, green candle. All right, and those New Zealand pairs, we're going long on those in Monster Scalper. All right, so close that. New Zealand Swiss, that's performing better. Sell short signal all the way up here, guys, and trading really, really well. All right. But again, keep an eye on it. New Zealand Swiss, we're not shorting it yet. I mean, we're not going long yet in Monster Scalper. Okay. But this could change. All right. But good trade going if anyone is in it. All right. Keep an eye on it. If you get a white candle, you might even close it with a white candle. All right. You've got some support down here. All right. So never bad to take profits. All right. Never bad to take profits. All right. USD CZK, that's holding it short. USD HUF, holding the short right here. Dollar Swiss, sell short signal, holding the short really well. USD PLN, all right, holding the short really well here. All right. And then EUR HUF, holding right here. Okay. The dollar could go any direction, guys. We know it's holding near support, the dollar index. All right, but it can go any direction. Let's take a look at equities. 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 Quick look at gold. Gold here, buy signal is here. All right. As I mentioned, when the equity markets move lower, you can see a pop in gold. So gold got a pop today. All right. Gold got a pop today. And Bitcoin. We haven't taken a look at Bitcoin in a few days. Bitcoin is still holding right here, guys, at 28,000. All right. So it's been holding that 26,000 support right at 28. It needs to move higher and break through that 30,000 mark. All right. But right now it's consolidating between 29 and 26,000. Okay. 29 and 26,000. All right. Let's take a look at stocks. All right. Stocks in Stock Boss. All right. Let's go through this quickly. CLSK. All right. Green candle. We're holding that. No changes there. All right. Right here. White candle followed by nice green candle. Riot. Same thing. All right. Buyers came back in. Wolf. All right. Buyers came back in today. That's great. BTBT. Buyers came back in. That's good. IBRX. All right. That's holding. All right. IBRX. Let's see here. All right. IBRX. BCAB. BCAB. That's holding. All right. SLGC, white candles, keep an eye on it. OPK, that's green candles, guys, came back in after white candles. You guys know that's a very bullish sign. All right. All right. OSUR. All right. OSUR. All right. That's holding. CDLK. That's holding. Look at this. All right. Breaking resistance here. All right. CDLKX. CDLX. MREO. That's holding. EVLV. That's holding all green candles. TTCF. All right. White candle. Keep an eye on it. All right, YMAB, that's holding all green candles. I'm surprised these are holding well, even with the market down, all right, almost 400 points. Stocks held. All right, YMAB, that held. ROIV, white candle, keep an eye on it. All right. What's that? ATAI, that's holding all green candles, nothing to do there. All right. TDUP. All right. White candle holding support. All right. All right. XFOR. All green candles. That's holding nicely there. Nothing to do. SANA. Green candles. Nothing to do. ANNX. All right. Big white candle came in today, guys. All right. Broke support here. We'll get a sell signal on this. All right, soon here. I'm surprised we didn't get a sell signal today. Broke support here. All right, not a red candle though, white candle. So the next support is down here, but that's far. If anyone is in this trade, anyone is in this, ANNX, really watch it. Okay. And I know the market was down. All right. So it didn't get a lot of help by the market. So watch it. If the market is up tomorrow, right? Equity markets are up tomorrow and this doesn't bounce. All right. You might want to close the trade. All right. You might want to close the trade because you got pretty good support right here. All right. So if it gets to that support, it might really make a move lower. All right. So keep an eye on it. And it's trading within support and resistance right here. All right. So resistance, support, right? Even here, we can count this. Okay. So if it fails to move higher, it can test support here. All right. And then perhaps break through. So if anyone is in it, keep an eye on it. All right. And that's ANNX. In Stock Boss. All right. BGXX. All right. Retrace down a bit. Buy signal is here. All green candles. Nothing to do. We just need buyers to continue to move the price higher. OMER. Keep an eye on this one, guys. Broke support right here. All right. Buy signal was right here. Broke support. All right. We need buyers to come in. When you guys have situations like this, all right, these are the ones you really need to pay attention to. All right. The ones that are breaking support with white candles. All right. You don't have to close the trade, but keep an eye on them because we need buyers to come back in. All right. And hold the trade. So whenever whether it's equities, whether it's Forex, right? Futures, all right. US 30, right? Whenever this happens, just really, really pay attention. Do not leave your screens. All right. Pay attention to what the next candle does. All right. All right. So that's all we've got in for Stock Boss. All right. So Bullmaster. MARA. All right. Buy signal is here. Right. White candle followed by a green candle. That's exactly what we want. Held support. And so we need buyers to continue to move the price higher. MSTR, right? White candles, see here, followed by those green candles, right? So that's where we wait, right? We wait to see what the next candle does. If you continue to have white candles and it's holding support, hold the trade, wait for green candles, red candle, get out. All right. All right. ARWR, all green candles there, nothing to do. All right. TGXT, that's holding nicely. All right. HAS, that's holding. All right. PCRX, holding nicely. All right. SWBI, that's fine. All green candles. All right. SKYW, that's holding. Look at that. Nice big candle on a break of that resistance right here. All right. SKYW. ACAD, that's holding all green candles. I am surprised that we don't have a lot of equity stocks closing. HCSG, that's holding all green candles. PCVX, that's holding all green candles. All right. CTKB, that's holding all green candles. All right. CRSP, holding support. All right. White candles here, holding support right here. All right. We just need buyers to come in. Green candle, move higher. DKNG, holding nicely, moving higher. BPMC, all right, all green candles, nothing to do. ZNT, what's that? L, that's holding all green candles there, guys. SWAV, all green candles, nicely in the markup phase. No new support and resistance. So if anyone is in it, let it run. All right, I spoke too soon. All right, so KYMR, red candle here. All right, so if anyone is in it, KYMR, close that trade. MRTX, holding all green candles. All right, what's that? RPD, white candle, keep an eye on it. All right, we need buyers to come in. Same with TMDX, white candles. So we've got support here, support right here. All right, so if anyone is in it, keep an eye on it. We need buyers to come back in. Big green candle, continue to move higher. All right. TD, TMDX, and Starbucks, SBUX, that's still holding, looking really good. DOMO, white candle here. All right, keep an eye on it. It actually closed on the high, all right, high of the day. So, all right, so not bad. Let's take a look at new opportunities in Stock Boss. I haven't looked at it, so let's see what we've got. All right, hold on. We'll take a look at Stock Boss, then Bullmaster, and then finish with Forex. All right. 24 symbols. All right, new buy signals we're looking for. I think we're in this one here. So what's that? IBRX. Yes, we're in that one already. That's still a decent trade, guys. All right, so it's still near the buy signal. Buy signal came in at 281. It's at 308. All right, you do have some consolidation in here, but not a bad trade there. Okay. All right, let's keep going. SPPI, SPPI. All right, that's a new one today. Let's see. All right, not a bad setup here. SPPI. All right, you've got some resistance here. Resistance is here. All right, if you can get past, which it is trying to get past that resistance here. Let me show you guys. All right, so you've got resistance here, right? Here. All right. We don't count this, right? So here we broke out right here, all right, with a buy signal right here, all right. Choppy in here, good markdown phase. Let's open it up, all right. Not a great risk reward. It's at $1.02 here. The high here is 280, all right. We'll leave this, all right. Not a great risk reward. Let's keep going. All right. All right. AGBA. AGBA. Oh, I don't like that. Wolf, we're in Wolf. Wolf is holding, guys. I think who is in Wolf? Let's see here. Nothing here. Right. CDLX. Are we in this one? Yes, we're in this one. All right. Another good trade here. All right. So if you guys are looking for a decent trade here, if you're not, a really good markdown phase. All right. Buy signal came in here, and now it's breaking through resistance. Support area will be right here. All right. Possibly here. All right. But definitely right here. All right. So CDLX in Stock Boss, and TIO, that's already gone. All right. Okay. So no new picks in Stock Boss this evening. I'm not surprised by that. All right, Bull Master. Let's run it. 29. All right. We're in this one. Right, new buy signals, guys. New buy signals. Very choppy. We're in this one. Oh, look at that. Very choppy. Look at that. Complete mess. We'll leave this alone. We're in this one. Nothing. DICE. Nope. That's gone. All right. Let's see here. IMVT. IMVT. All right. We're not in that one. All right. I know it's high, guys, in the markup phase. All right. But it's traded well. Traded well. Pull back. Pretty good support here. All right, nice clean buy signal. Okay, and it's inexpensive. That's inexpensive for stock boss. So you don't even have to trade the option. You could trade the underlying. All right, you could trade the stock. Buy signal came in at 1733. It's at 1817. Not bad for stock for Bullmaster. So we'll add that to Bullmaster this evening. All right, I am VT. I am VT. All right, that's a clean one. All right, that's gone. All right, lift. LYFT. All right, good markdown phase, guys. Good markdown phase. It fell from, what's that, $60, right? $60, found really good support at $9. Really good support. I would say here is your support here. All right, so you've got pretty good support right here at what's that, 979. Resistance, let's do this. Resistance came in at, resistance is at 1039. Buy signal came in right at 1039, and it's breaking out. You guys can see that here. All right, so it's breaking out here, green candle. So the market holds, this could move, and it fell from, so it's trading at 1064, fell from $60. Okay, lift, LYFT. So we'll add that long in Bullmaster, and we'll see how it does. And inexpensive enough to trade the stock. All right, and Meta. Who's in Meta? Solomon, you in Meta on the 240. Solomon, are you still in Meta? Are you still trading it on the 240? You know, right? So still holding on the daily time frame. All right, Meta. All right, and all right, that's it for Stock Boss and Bullmaster. Let's take a look at Monster Scalper. We send out these picks already. So Aussie dollar, we're already in Aussie dollar. Aussie New Zealand. We're not in Aussie New Zealand, no buy signal yet. Aussie Swiss, we're still in it. Aussie CAD. All right. New Zealand pairs, we're in those. New Zealand dollar was a new pick we send out today. All right. So that's looking good there. New Zealand Swiss, that's looking up. Look, we're starting to see buying come back in the look at New Zealand CAD. Let's take a look here. So it looks like buying is coming back in. All right, so yes, so let's do this. Okay, so good news, we're seeing buying come in this evening. All right, in the yen pairs, right, Aussie pairs, New Zealand pairs. So that's good because they retraced quite a bit today. So those of you in the yen pairs, right, Aussie pairs, New Zealand pairs, even the pound pairs, just hold on. Buying is coming back in. Okay. All right. Monster Scalper. All right. So we added Aussie dollar. All right. Aussie Swiss, Aussie CAD already. New Zealand dollar, New Zealand Swiss, and New Zealand CAD. Yes, New Zealand CAD. Entry was right here. All right. ZAR yen, right? All the yen pairs we're already in, so we know that, right? We're starting to see a move in the dollar, buy signals in the dollar pairs. Okay. Now I'm not too crazy about this move here, but you know, things could change. So if we look at the dollar index here, all right, we're starting to see it's currently down, but we're starting to see white candles come in on that sell short signal. All right, so we could see buyers. We pretty close to, and we got pretty good support down here, guys. All right, so we got pretty good support. So we can start to see buyers come in. All right, buyers come in. We can have, if we break this moving average right here, break resistance right here, we could get a green candle and see the dollar move higher. Okay, and it's been holding here at support. It's been holding here for a while, so it's due, for a move higher if it doesn't break support. So the point is, we could see where the dollar starts to make a move, and if you guys look here, we're starting to see more up coming in, more blue coming in here, right, in the dollar. So let's go through these and see if we can find trade or two. They're all over the place. All right, nothing yet. Nothing yet. All right. Nothing in the euro. No longs in the euro. All right. We'll look for shorts in the euro and the pound. All right. And then we'll be done. All right. So shorts in this is a possibility, guys. Euro PLN. All right. Really nice previous short. I don't know if it's extended though. Let's see. All right. This is a better short here. All right. So monster scalper. And that's Euro, New Zealand, EUR, NZD. You guys know the Euro pairs have been closing short, longs. All right. So this is a good short here. All right. Set up. So Euro, New Zealand, sell short signal here, and it's right here. All right. Euro, New Zealand. Okay. Short in monster scalper. So our monster scalper traders, this is a short you can look at. All right. Still all over the place, but right. So one short in monster scalper. Let's see if we have any shorts in the pound pairs. Pound. Keep an eye on pound SGD. You could get a short signal soon on that. Same with pound NZD. The short came in at This is still good to get in. All right, the short came in at right here. All right, and it's trading right here. So still good to get in. So pound, GBP, NZD, short. So the New Zealand, the reverse, guys, the reverse. All right. So keep an eye. You notice the New Zealand dollar, New Zealand CAD, they're moving higher. So now we have the Euro New Zealand and then the pound New Zealand, they're moving lower. All right. So those two trades, we got buy, sell, short signal. So sell, short signal on so they're selling. So Euro New Zealand, look here, Euro New Zealand, that's moving lower. And then pound New Zealand, that's moving lower too. So those are good shorts here. All right, those are good shorts. Nothing here, nothing here, nothing here. All right, so let me go back here. Remember, New Zealand dollar, look, New Zealand dollar is moving higher, right? New Zealand Swiss, that's moving. New Zealand CAD, right? New Zealand CAD. So there is a move going on in the New Zealand pairs, and you know their market just opened, all right. And then the short, the reverse, right? Euro New Zealand, where is it? Euro New Zealand short, all right, and then pound New Zealand short, all right. So good trades there, all right. So we'll just hold off on Forex Dominator. I didn't see anything come through on the signals for Forex Dominator, so we'll hold off. And we've got quite a few trades, all right, in Forex Dominator. So 2 trades in Bullmaster this evening, IMVT and Lift, LYFT in Bullmaster, and then Monster Scalper short, Pound New Zealand and Euro New Zealand short. All right. Those of you who are trading Monster Scalper and you're in the yen pairs, all right, and the Aussie New Zealand pairs, just try to stay focused. All right, hold on to your pairs. If the system, right, we're starting to get buy-in to come back in, guys, right here. So just, you know, control your emotions, hold on to the trades as long as you've got white candles, green candles, okay? And a lot of them are holding support, all right? A lot of them are holding support. All right, Joe, pound Swiss. Yes, let's take a look at pound Swiss. I'm assuming long or short, Joe? Long or short? Long or short? Pound Swiss. Pound Swiss. All right, so long, short. Okay, so long, it gave a sell signal. Let's take a look at short. Pound Swiss. No sell short signal yet. Okay, Joe. No, but keep an eye on it. You should get a sell short signal soon. All right. Yeah. So you should get a sell short signal soon, and that's not bad. Now, if you guys look here, see, we get in a rotation. Now, we haven't had this in a while. We haven't had this in a while where all right, think of the Asian market, right? So the Aussie, Kiwi, the New Zealand pairs, yen pairs are all up. Look at this. We haven't seen this for a while. So this is an overall rather than a group rotation, right? So like a pair, like the yen rotation, right? We're actually seeing a market rotation. Now, I don't know how long this will last, all right? But if we get these pairs, all the yen pairs, Aussie, New Zealand pairs, so right here, from here up, blue, and then if we can get, look here, look what's happening, right? Right, these here all turn red, then that's really, really good. That's really, really good. All right, that means we got real direction, right? So the dollar, remember the dollar, euro, right? The dollar, our market, the US market, right? The New York session, all right? The London session, right? Pound, right? If they can all turn red, right? And they're starting to do it, right? I don't know about the dollar though, but at least the euro pairs, pound pairs are red here, and then um, the Asian market, so the yen, New Zealand, and all up. That's real direction. So we could see real moves. Okay. So we haven't had this in a while where these are all solid, or at least 90% solid in one direction. And then over here, look here, right? This group right here, they're 100%, right? 100% moving up, right? I know the yen pairs went up for the day, but overall, they're still up and trending in the markup phase. Okay, so that's something to pay attention to. Also, the yen pairs, send out a message earlier. The yen pairs, we talked about the yen pairs leading. All right, so New Zealand yen, all right, is the third trending pair. All right, New Zealand yen, Euro yen, Singapore yen, Aussie yen, dollar yen. All right, Swiss yen, that's your Hong Kong yen, HKD, JPY, CAD yen. All right, and then pound yen. So they're leading the group. All right, so if you guys, those of you in the yen pairs, good job. All right, good job, good job. And Joe, get with me. All right. And we'll take care of that for you. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Perfect. All right, guys. Thanks for coming. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hopefully, we have an update in equities tomorrow. All right. But not bad. Things held, right? Things held for the most part. Markets, the trades held. All right. Take care. See you guys tomorrow. Bye
Good
bye.
night, everyone.
Good night.